More energy! Okay. So as part of our annual tradition from Beyond Leisure, we are now celebrating our yearly awarding team building rather. Dito naman natin gaganapin ngayon sa isa sa mga pinagmamalaking proyekto ng ating developer which is Lanco Pacific, none other than Casobi or Canatagan South Beach. Excited? Yung mga ano. Okay, to start our program, please stand up for our doxology or our would like to call the presence of Mr. Rafael Rosales for the prayer. Okay, by the way, let me introduce myself first. My name is Business Mark. I'm one of the PSS from Team Hydra. And again, we are celebrating our annual team building as part of our team's traditions every year. Okay. So, before anything else, I would like to introduce first our main speaker for tonight, none other than the founder or the CEO of Beyond Leisure, one of the top managers from Lanco Pacific, member of one of the awardee from Rising Tigers, and so much more. Napakadaming achievements and awards itong ating leader na i-introduce nitong nagyayari tonight. So again, please welcome none other than Mr. Rafael Oya Jr. Yes, palapak na po tayo dyan.
Okay, welcome to this amazing paradise. Tama? Okay. And live tayo right now in Facebook, guys. And we are so happy that every year we spend some time, no, mga kalisyo, no, ating mga katimay. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Every year, this is our tradition to go out of town and we celebrate our hard work, our dedication and commitment na there's always a hope in everything we do. Our nature, the nature of our business is not easy. Hindi to napakadali. It is very, very challenging. However, it is freaking rewarding. Palakpak! And as part of my aspirations and commitment to the group, later on we are going to announce some very, very good news. And there is a new venture that will be coming and joining Beyond Leisure. And she is coming from Australia! Palakpakan nyo! Thank you so much. Beyond Leisure, Team Hydra, I cannot deny the fact, and I'm so grateful that I am always with you all this time. Nakikita ko yung mga tao kasama ko na nagsimula ako na nagtiwala, and I know magkasama-sama tayo ng matagal. Looking back 5, 8, and now 9 years ago, it gives me always thrill. Grabe, until now, it gives me goosebumps. That the culture that we started is very, very effective. And I can see, nakita ko na po ito, na lahat ng kasama ko ngayon, you buy the things that you want, you enjoy your life, you share the blessings, and you also become the blessings to others. Palakpak naman po dyan. This kind of business that we are doing, it changed our lives while changing the lives of others. Sobra akong proud sa inyo kasi you are independent. Yung nakuha po ninyo sa akin is just only the skeleton. And you build all the flesh. You innovate, you put the hardship in it. No wonder you are succeeding. Palakpak! Hindi na ako makapatumpik-tumpik pa. I may go on we will go straight to our next part of our next part of our program is we are going to return the favor back to you. Diba? Okay. To present the awards for tonight, I may go on one of our top seller. She was a former 9-year BPO. And became a team leader. And she's our tita. Please do all welcome to present our awards for tonight with some freaking good news and also incentives. Grabe yan! Please welcome palakpakan natin, Tita Matt!
God, oh my God, salamat. Thank you so much, oh my God, and this is it. This is for everyone. Salamat, syempre lahat. Enjoy ang masaya ang lahat. Of course, may kanya-kanya tayo mga color dito. It has a name, and I believe it has a cash.
Thank you. Next!
Right? Same certificate of appreciation goes to Justin. Tare. Next is LP Christian. Oh my God, ang sarap ng pagkakulit. Again, this is for Christian. Congratulations. And of course, para kay Rose. At susimula si Rose. Ang pastor na lang.
Thank you. Ongoing, man. Ongoing. Thank you.
Parang pero.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So there we have, there you go.
There you go, our 20 candidates.
Certificate of Excellence as an appreciation that it's an excellence is proudly presented to Mr. Christian Aaron Barbuco, local marketing partner, for his invaluable contribution of 22,789,522 pesos of this total sales for the first half of the year 2023 at Alapitan South Beach, Barangay Calatagan, Batangas, signed Joshua Bagarinao and Rafael A. Oria Jr.
Yeah, unfortunately, Alice wasn't able to come. He's not feeling well. He's feeling under the weather, but soon he will be able to attend our awarding.
Yes. Congratulations, Christian. Alright, so another certificate of excellence is proudly presented to siya po ay PSS, a property sales specialist, for his invaluable contribution of 191,393,930 pesos, and this certificate of excellence is presented to our PSS and palaging top seller ng Team Hydra,
Yes.
Sir Randall Cole! Congratulations, sir! Alright, so, dahil po dyan, we will be requesting our top seller, our awardee for a speech.
Hello. Thank you. So ayun, thank you for this award, Sir Rafa. So ayun, dahil dito, pinamukha mo sa akin na mukha akong pera.
Tama naman.
Ngayon, syempre, nakuha ko tong award ko, hindi naman dahil sa ako lang, kundi rin sa tulong din ng buong team, especially sa pinaka-head din natin si Boss Mark, na inalalayan din tayo. Ayan, thank you so much din, Boss Mark. I hope you are here, no? Di sa event namin. Then, see you on December 1. Kasi nandito ulit kami. So, yan. So, lahat tayo, itong award na to, hindi lang naman dahil, hindi lang to para sa akin, kundi yung mga sales naman natin is para sa team natin. Representing Team Hydra, pati ako hindi ko pa rin ina-expect na maaabot ko yung ganito kasi nga dati ibang sigante lang. Pero ito, pag may sipag talaga at willing ka bumenta, yun, bibigay naman yun ni Lord. So, thank you Lord. So, ayan, thank you Lord sa blessing. Siyempre, itong award na to, it is just a reflection of my sales manager and my sales director. So, tips ko sa mga kapwa PSS ko, meron silang mga galing na hindi ko kaya. Siyempre, meron din akong galing na hindi nila rin kaya. Pero at the end of the day, tayo-tayo pa rin na magtutulungan. So, yun, happy selling, and ipamukha natin ang mukha tayo.
Alright, congratulations sa iyo naman, Claire. Congratulations award. Imagine mo naman, awards from Team Hydra up to Langko Awards. Ang dami-dami na po niyang ganyan na natatanda.
This event is really means a lot to me. And congratulations PSS ko, LMPs na nakarating. Ang gagaling ninyo. Grabe, looking forward for the year-ending party which is gaganapin sa Tokyo, Japan! Okay, thank you so much sa our part 1. Congratulations sa lahat. Let's go sa Captain Barbosa!